Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Handmade Jewelry Haven. For those of you that don't know me, I do have an online store where I sell jewelry. It's called handmadejewelryhaven.com. And I just wanted to give a real brief tutorial on cleaning jewelry. I do get a lot of questions about this. People often ask me, why is my jewelry tarnished? How do I clean it? I've had it for several years. It's dirty looking now. It doesn't look as shiny. You can actually do this with just a clean cloth, but I do highly recommend getting an actual jewelry cleaning cloth. I got these online and I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway with these pretty shortly. They do come pre-treated with some jewelry cleaning solution on them. And really the proper way to not have to do this more often really is to you don't really want to, number one, sleep with your jewelry. You don't want to bathe or swim with your jewelry. You don't want to put lotions or perfume in a place that your jewelry is going to touch your skin. I know ladies definitely like to use their lotions and apply perfume, and that's fine. Just try to apply it in a place that your necklace is not going to touch your skin, or your bracelet's not going to go around your wrist, because that will definitely contribute to faster tarnishing of your jewelry. So anyway, what you want to do here is, I have one necklace here that's just a huge continuous chain that I haven't really done anything with in a long time. And I'm just going to firmly, I'm not going to be rough, it's definitely, you want to be more gentle, firmly. Just wrap the cloth around and just start to pull. Not hard, just firmly, because you don't obviously want to break the chain. So you want to do that a few times, flip it around, do it again, just rub it a few times, turn it around. I mean, you can usually, will do this with the length of chain. I'm just doing this in a short section just for the purpose of this video. A lot of times I'll just do like the whole, you know, you could just do that type of motion with the whole chain. Go around, go in the opposite direction. You could see how much tarnish came off of there, a lot. What you don't want to do ever is to grab a piece by the pendant and pull your chain. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do this type of thing. Don't do that, because you're going to break your pendant. You're going to break the connector. Always hold it by your chain itself and do this. I also have another piece here, a silver piece that's pretty bad. I haven't worn this in quite some time. And you can see how it's like not shiny at all anymore. And I am just going to rub it. You don't have to rub it very hard. It's more just the motion of going back and forth, and you can almost feel when it starts, the tarnish starts to come off, because all of a sudden it feels slick. You're gonna feel it. Look how much shinier that is. Look at all that tarnish that we got off of there. And you could even see with these middle beads, they're pretty bad. Let me show with a clean section of the cloth so you can see. You want to grab these by the bead itself. I would never grab it by the joint. Don't do this. That's going to break your joint. Don't grab it by the clasp and do it. Don't do this. That's going to break your clasp. That's definitely going to undo your piece. You want to grab it by the bead itself. And again, just, it doesn't even take a lot of pressure. Just back and forth, back and forth. You can already see that that's starting to get nice and shiny. And then I got to do that part, so let's just turn it around and do the other side. And if you do it properly, you're going to have a beautiful shiny piece. And you can see definitely how that's much shinier than the pieces next to it. I don't know if you can see that very well. So anyway, that's basically it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel. I would love to get a like and a comment. I love to have feedback to see what people are wanting to ask. And if you'd like to see more beautiful jewelry, please visit our website at handmadejewelryhaven.com. Thank you.